Okay, so my manager Sherry was so gracious to take a video of me playing my new theme music for my new soulful, soothing self-care concept for you. It's called 5M. What is 5M? Well, I'm so glad that you silently asked. 5M is a 5-part self-care formula where I, as a certified meditation and mindfulness teacher, teach you how to use music, movement, meditation, mindfulness, and mantras to decrease your stress, anxiety, grief, depression, improve your sleep, and increase your overall peace. Every week, I'm doing a workshop that's called 5M Self-Care Saturdays Workshop, and it's a family-friendly event that I want to invite you to. I'm also every week releasing guided meditations that are on every topic you can imagine under the sun to help us through tough and challenging times, whether you're a parent, whatever. I won't even go into the subjects. Check it out. Look at the info in the caption. I want to see you this Saturday. And I want you to remember one more thing. If you don't take care of yourself, number one, no one else will. And number two, you won't have the energy to take care of anyone else. So let's self-care together.